So you're thinking about moving to the Las Vegas, Nevada area, and you're looking for a property just under $1 million in the Summerlin area of Las Vegas. Well, if you stick around to the end of this video, you're going to see this beautiful organized chaos turn into $1 million property with Utopia home staging here in Las Vegas. So with that being said, guys, like we always say on this channel, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. If this is your first time to our channel and you'd like to know everything that there is to know about moving here, buying properties, selling properties here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area, make sure you subscribe below, tap that bell for notifications, and please give us a thumbs up. We really would appreciate it. It helps with the algorithm and it gets this video out to much more people out there. So with that being said, my name is Levert Benefield. I am the team leader of Team Levert here in Las Vegas, and we are selling this beautiful $1 million property. This is the behind the scenes sort of scenario of everything right now. Yet at the same time, if you're looking to move here, if you're looking for a great under $1 million property here in Summerlin, Las Vegas, with a pool and a beautiful gated community right next to one of our beautiful schools as far as Doral Academy is concerned with, make sure you check this video out. It doesn't matter, guys, if you're moving here in 9 days, if you're moving here in 90 days, we'd love the opportunity to make sure that we could be of assistance to you in regards to helping you with your move and with your purchase. So today we're looking at behind the scenes with Utopia Home Staging. Angie and all of her great crew. Hi. They're going to be out here helping us out, getting this beautiful property together. So with that, guys, we can't wait to show you the beautiful reveal. I think the mic is hot. Okay, so we are here at our newest listing that's about to go on, and we're going inside, like I told you guys. So thanks for sticking around to the end here. We're going to walk in and get our first reactions in regards to what is happening with the behind the scenes of this staging. Staging is something that we are starting to do a lot more here in the Las Vegas, Nevada area. It's definitely more common on our higher end properties and definitely more common in the California area, more so than here in Las Vegas. Yet, I just want you guys to get a little bit of this behind the scenes and see what our first reactions are in regards to the stagers and them bringing out their beautiful staging to help us sell this just under $1 million property. Just want to sneak you guys outside. So again, this is all of the before. It's incredible. They have everything all over the place. They are allowing me to be in the way here a little bit, and they're allowing you guys to see a little bit of the behind the scenes. But look at all this incredible stuff that goes into staging beautiful properties, and it just makes such a huge difference in regards to getting these properties moved and to getting them sold at the top dollar. You want to make sure that you have your clients investing in things like this, because this is what they want. They want top dollar, and you need to work with a great staging company like these ladies and gents here. And this is the before, and I'm going to show you guys the afterwards in a minute. It is all coming together. I get really excited. So Angelique and her team are here. This is a little bit of the upstairs loft area. They're putting things together. They're talking about experiences and all that kind of good stuff. I'm going to get out the way because this is not my expertise. I'm going to let them do their thing. I can't wait to show you guys the rest of the house. So we are here for the reveal day of what Utopia Home Staging has done with this beautiful property. Again, just under $1 million. If you're interested, make sure you reach out, give us a call, give us a DM. But let's look inside. How cool was that? You guys got that sneak peek with me. That was really fun to sort of kind of see the behind the scenes. And of course, you've already seen what it looks like now. But at the same time, if you guys love this beautiful property, this is an amazing neighborhood, Summerlin area. It's brand new, gated community. And I can't say too much more about this. Some beautiful pools, beautiful schools, charter school, literally right across the street from this particular beautiful home. And again, Angelique and Utopia Home Staging, they're just doing an incredible job as far as making this $1 million property shine. Now, I know some of you may say that, oh, he's talking about $1 million property. You immediately tune out. Please don't tune out on this one. What I love about this particular property is that this is a property of a young man and a family that we have been helping, and we had the privilege of helping when they started their real estate journey. They purchased their first property with us. I think it was around $225,000. And that was about 15, 16 years ago. But this young man has gone on and he's done some incredible things in his life, and his family's done some great things in their life, so forth and so on. But we've walked alongside him in regards to him now selling a property for $900 and whatever we have it listed for, I think $40,000 on this particular property. But again, do not blank out when you hear $1 million. Please understand, this is a beautiful story of someone like yourself could start at $225,000 as far as your first purchase, and you could be turning around and selling or having wealth upwards of almost $1 million on a house like this. So please, if you guys are looking for anything in regards to real estate, make sure you subscribe below, tap that bell for those notifications, give us a thumbs up, all of those kind of great things, and we look forward to walking alongside you in regards to your real estate wealth building and your family's needs in regards to real estate here in the Las Vegas, Henderson area. We will see you in the next video. Take care.